संसड्यावेली गार्बेज आणि होलसेल फिश मार्केट ह्यो दोन गजाली फातोड्डेकारांक बऱ्योच त्रास करतात. फातोड्डेच्या रस्त्याचे कोणाकच पडिल्ले ना. डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल बेगीन तडीक लागचें अशें कोणाकच कित्याक दिसना काय म्हूण फातोड्डेकारांक प्रस्न. फातोड्डे दोंगर वाड्यावेल्या लोकांक उदकाक नित्याच्यो कटकटी. प्रुडंटाचे खबरामाळेंत फातोड्डेचे मतदार राजाचो लोकनामो.
And for the last 4.5 years, I actually have seen is only cosmetic development. I have not seen any development in any front. It's only cosmetic development that I have seen.
सगळ्यांकूच खबर आहा आनी आमकां सगळे बसल्यार सगळ्यांक खबर आमचे SPDA फिश मार्केट होलसेल. आतां आमी येयले पळय आमचो कोलवा सर्कल आमचे ओल्ड मार्केट सर्कल थिंगा सामको रॉ स्वेज सामको गटरान ओपन व्हांवता. कितले हेल्थ एजर थिंगा फुडल्यान डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट आसा. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्टाच्या फुडल्यान आमकां रॉ स्वेज व्हांवता. पूण आमी कितले ऑथॉरिटीजांक सांगले.
Recollect that when the Lusophone games were on, land was supposed to be acquired. Doing the road after the games are over does not suit the purpose. The purpose is doing the road is because it was given that much of sanction and that much of work had to be done. Who keeps a watch after the games are done or over? Nobody keeps a watch of how much work is done. But what is important is roads which have to be taken are never taken up. Now, because thanks to Lusophonia, thanks to the bricks, that at least we have got hot mix on various roads. Coming up to the garbage, we had agitated about the garbage problem in the municipality time and time again. And we were assured that this sanitation fee, what was structured by the municipality, will be looked into. Now it is 4 months since nothing has been done. I do not know whether they have the will to do anything. It is just like, coming and muttering something and then not doing it. You come to the bus shelter. Let us talk on the bus shelter. It is a place where people commute to various places. Is that a place which could be even recognized that the bus shelter? Someone was telling me it looks like a cow shed, but luckily I didn't see cows there, but I saw dogs there. You talk about district hospital. Why there's no initiative from the MLA to do something about the district hospital? I would like to know why it was all quiet about the district hospital. It is something very important for people. It is important. You go to Hospicio, there is not one morgue which is in functional state. People are waiting for a solution on garbage, but so far nothing has happened.
Fatorda has got two major issues in my view. And forget Fatorda, whole of Goa doesn't seem to be taking notice of this. One is the Sonsoro garbage and the other is the wholesale fish market. These are two major environmental disasters and health disasters that we are staring at. If anybody goes to the wholesale fish market and sees the utter unhygienic and what a health disaster, the way that fish is sorted out on the ground where raw sewage, excreta of dogs and other animals, rotten fish are lying around. In that mess, the fish is sorted out and then it goes to almost every part of Goa. How many dustbins are provided by the Margao Municipal Council at SPDA, the market? There's chicken market, fish market, meat market, vegetable, fruits. How many bins are there if you want to get rid of that garbage? How many bins are provided at the wholesale fish market? The problem is, we all talk about garbage. It's not rocket science, garbage. Garbage is generated at one point. It has to be transported to another point where it is safely discarded.
आख्खे फातोर्डा आख्खे गोंयांत 24 वरां उदक येता. हो दोंगरवाडो हो धाकलोसो वॉर्ड आसा. ह्या वॉर्डाकूच 24 वरां उदक कित्याक येना? आतां हें उदकाचें प्रॉब्लम कांय फाटल्या 10-15 वर्सांनी चालूच आहा. आमकां फातोर्डा दोंगरवाड्यार फकत उदक 5 ते 6 वरांक सोडटा. सकाळीं 10 बंद जाता, सांजचे 5 परतून येता.
Seen over the last, I think, 20-30 years that Sonsoro garbage dump is becoming more like a mountain of garbage. And every MLA that comes and every council that comes is just not able to solve that problem. And in my opinion, it is more because there is no intention to solve this problem. Because there are solutions to garbage that are available all over the world. And we have had numerous trips of councillors and MLAs going on study tours across India and even across the world. And till today, they have not yet been able to solve this problem.
पुणंताची मतदार राजा डिबेटी वेल्यान लोकनामो माळेंतलो हो फातोर्डेंच्या मतदाराचो लोकनामो असो एक एक करून 40 मतदारसंघाचो लोकनामो पुडंट रिलीज करता. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट पुडंट.
दाबोळे विमानतळार कस्टम्सान दोगा पॅसेंजरा कडल्यान 2 किलोच्यो बिस्किटी आनी दोगा जाणां कडल्यान 4.5 लाखांच्यो सिगरेटी जप्त केल्या. दुबयच्यान आयिल्ले एअर इंडियाच्या फ्लायटीच्या पॅसेंजराचें सामान तपासतना केरळाच्या एकल्या कडेन 54 लाखांच्यो 2 भांगराच्यो बिस्किटी मेळ्ळ्यो. जाल्यार शारजांतल्यान आयिल्ल्या फ्लायटींत दोगा जाणां कडेन कस्टम्साक सुमार 4.5 लाखांच्यो सिगरेटी मेळ्ळ्या. घेऊ एक ब्रेक.